Have you tried every diet and you're still stuck? Do you feel like everything you do, the harder you try, the better, the more eating clean that you do, or the harder you work out, you just seems like you're spinning your wheels on a hamster wheel? If so, this video is for you. Hey, everybody, I'm Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com. And if that's how you feel, first off, you're not alone. That is so common in women after the age of 40. And here's why. See, after the age of 40, our metabolism starts to slow down naturally due to genetics, due to environmental issues, due to excessive dieting in the past, excessive working out in the past. In Mother Nature herself, your metabolism just slows down. So our number one goal has to be to repair and reset your sluggish metabolism. And we know that once you can reset your sluggish metabolism, everything else becomes so much easier. And once you do that, that'll fix your hormone problem, because that's the second issue. First is the slowing metabolism, and second is the hormones are out of whack. Whether it's cortisol levels, insulin levels, estrogen levels, they are all out of whack, and we need to achieve hormone harmony. So how do we do that? How do we accomplish both of those goals? How do we first repair and then reset our metabolism? Well, first off, you have to change the way you exercise. You have to say goodbye to the HIIT workouts, goodbye to the excessive cardio, the soul-crushing workouts, and have to embrace a strength training approach. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that you're only working out 2 to 3 times a week. That's all you need to do. You don't need to live in the gym. All you need is 2 to 3 strength training workouts a week, and that is it. So what does that look like in practice? Well, you want to do a couple different muscle groups for each body part. You want to stay within a 10 to 20 repetition range. Now that is the secret right there, because if you go over 20 repetitions, you're not going to get the results that you want. And if you go under 10 repetitions, that's more of a bodybuilding strength, and we don't want that. So stay within the 10 to 20 repetitions. That's the sweet spot to get you the results. Again, 2 to 3 exercises per muscle group, per major muscle group. 2 to 3 times a week is all that you need as far as strength training. That will help repair your sluggish metabolism. Number 2 is we want to focus on hormone-friendly nutrition. So how does that look like in practice? First off, it is not fad diets, it's not starvation diets, and for the love of God, it's not fasting, keto, or any of the other diets of the month program. It is focusing on the fundamentals. It is focusing on protein first, and here's why that's important. It's because protein boosts your metabolism. Now, we want you to have carbohydrates. We want you to have fats. We want you to have everything. Everything is part of the program, but we do want to make sure that you're getting at least 100 grams of protein each and every day. That's going to help you feel full. It's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to help you stay focused. And it's going to give you the energy to power through your busy day so you can do what you want, when you want, as long as you want, and you don't get tired midday and you don't get lethargic later in the day. That is the goal. So if you focus on those 2 things, stop dieting and embrace healthy eating. Stop doing the soul-crushing workouts. Focus on strength training, and you'll finally get the results that you desire and deserve.